Hey, welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how you can clean very dirty car carpet mats safely at home in the washing machine. Make sure you stick till the end because I'll show you the one secret that makes sure that you can do this every time safe at home with super clean floor mats with no damage. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Los kids! Oh, verdammt nogmaal. As you can see, these floor mats of my wife's car really need cleaning. So first you loosen them and then you take them to your house. So, and then in the next step, slam them against the surface to get all the dust out. Sehr schön. Make sure nicely all around the turbine of the washing machine. And it's better. So, and make sure that you only use detergent and no softener. Sehr toll. So, Siemens. So, and now what is essential is that you don't put it on a full washing program, but you select the most sensitive program that you have, which is here in my case, in the Netherlands, wool, and you make sure that you completely switch off the centrifuge, so the rotation. Then it just sits very comfortably and nice in a nice temperature of 30 degrees, which I think is like 85 or 85 degrees Fahrenheit. After 30 minutes, they'll be completely done, and then you'll hang them there dry. Here we go. So, and then when your Fußmatten are ready, hang them upside down to dry like this. And put them back in the car when they're dry. You can see the floor mats look super clean, super soft, no damage whatsoever at all, and that's how you clean your own floor mats at home safely in your washing machine. Go ahead, write in the comments how you clean your floor mats. Do you put them in the washing machine? Do you put them through a device at the car wash? Let me know, I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and I wish you safe driving. Auf Wiedersehen!